Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. When editing, Terry forgets to do stuff and doesn't delete stuff and makes the videos too long and forgets to take things out of stuff. Just know this is why. I know sometimes I blame my TV and what I'm watching, but yeah. It's usually because I'm supervising. Sometimes I have to play referee or cheerleader. It just depends. So, yeah. Between that and I'm watching Lori. She went to a concert, so I'm about to watch Lori go to a concert. Well, I won't be able to listen to it, Lori, because of the distraction that's behind me. So I won't be able to listen to your video. But, yeah, that's why. If I leave stuff out or forget to delete stuff and videos are too long, you can blame quality assurance. Hey, so, I made frog legs this weekend. I'm not going to talk about that part. But when I made the breading, I followed the Indigo Neely, her recipe. And I was watching her video, and she had a big container of the unflavored gelatin, and it was the Knox brand. Well, I say that. The one I got from Walmart was Knox brand, so I picked up a big bottle of this. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. So hopefully I use it. I'm sure I'll use it up. But anyway, so I'll be, using this because honestly, I think several of you recommended her video or her breading, and you were right. But I also got something else. And let's see. There's a card, not that one, this one. It says, "A gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Michigan. You encourage me on YouTube and are helping me lose weight, from Betty G. Lee." Aww. Look. This is a food scale. Isn't that cool? It's funny. People always ask what kind of food scale. I'm like, I have this stupid Weight Watcher one. I hate my scale. And I know that's silly, but it was designed for Weight Watchers. Hold on. I want to be careful because, it's got glass on. I don't want to drop it. See, just get it. It's got batteries. It's a digital kitchen scale. That is so fancy. Look how fancy it is. Oh, that's the covering. I'm so stupid. But I like the blue. I think I might leave it. No, Terry. It's only for shipping purposes. Please tear off before use. Okay, fine. I'll follow the rules. But I liked it. Hang on. I'm going to pause while I try to fight this blue thing. Okay. This is terrible. I use my teeth. I gotta go to get it off. Oh, it's silver, just like mine. Yay, look at that. And look at how much more space is on this thing. It's like got another, almost 2 inches right down here. Look at that. And it's just as wide. That. Aww. Thank you so much. Hang on. I want to sit down and try it. Hang on. I got to put batteries in it. I am so stinking excited. You must have heard me complaining about the scale that I have. I literally have said so many times down the comments, People are like, what kind of scale do you have? I've got this stupid Weight Watcher one. So you must have paid attention. You knew. That's hilarious. I had to make sure I didn't have to unwrap the green from the batteries. Oh. All right. Oh, I'm going to aim you down to see it. Oh, this is fancy. Oh my gosh. Look how fancy this is. All right. Look how fancy that is. Set that over there. Let's see. Oh, that's on off. And I said, if you need a scale, you just one that can zero out and one that has grams. Ooh, that has kilograms and pounds and fluid ounces and milliliters. That's really fancy. And look, I can see that. You all know I'm always whining about my eyes. I'm telling you what, you're looking out for me. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, I can see it. And it's real sensitive, too. That's good. Oh, let's do this. Okay, let's zero it. I'm going to be weighing everything now. You're going to be like, Terry, you're getting on my nerves. So hold on. 4 grams. 7 grams. Look at that, you guys. Oh, Betty. That is so cool. Oh, sorry, I thought this my stand's been falling. That's why I keep being jumpy. Anyway, thank you so much. That is so nice. I was worried I was going to scratch it as I was pulling the plastic cover off, but I didn't. I didn't. This is so nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. And in case any of you are wondering which one it is, it's Nicewell. Nicewell. And yeah, just says Nicewell is the brand. Model, oh, it's on the back. MQD-C018. Look at that. Betty, thank you. You all don't have to do that, but thank you so much. Heck, I'd be just happy with the card. But anyway, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will be using this. I really wish I would have had this before I made food for tomorrow. We'll be using this tomorrow for supper. Thank you. Let me cover. I don't know. I said your name, but just in case, I've got you hanging on my wall. Betty, I got you on my wall of gratitude right there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I wanted to show you that I got your name up there. Thank you. I'm cracking up. Look how thin this thing is. I feel like it's a tablet, like a computer tablet. It's like so little, narrow. I mean, like skinny, you know, front to back. It's so little. I feel like I should tuck it and we should go off to school. I feel like I'm carrying my tablet and we should go to school. It's just like tablet size, like iPad size. That is, I'm just mesmerized because I had to come in and get the dog some water and I just had to touch it. Okay, bye. Thank you, Betty. Good morning. It's breakfast time. So I did that. I added water to my eggs again today. They grew. Oh my goodness. It's funny. Just maybe a tablespoon or 2 of water and my eggs grew. So, yeah, that happened. But, I mean, I know one of y'all said you add water to make them fluffier, but that don't make no sense on how it does that. Why? Why do I not taste it and then push record? So that way I know if it's going to burn my mouth or not. I don't know. I worry about myself. Anyway, so we're having that and our avocado. Oh, I'm going to let that cool down and then I'm going to eat. Bye. Okay, so our lunch today, you all saw me make it up. So our salad, that's fine. We just eat it like normal. But we made the burger in a bowl. So I microwaved the ground beef and red peppers and whatever seasonings on it. And I put this on it. And that will be, that's all the things that I put in it. So I'm just going to dump it in. And so your ground beef can be the base of anything. You know what I mean? So you doing that meal prep sets you up for so many things through the week. And if you're married or you have kids and you cook up that ground beef, you can use it for spaghetti for your family. You can use it for, whatever you want to for your family, and you'll still have options for yourself. So doing that ground beef meal prep, it just saves you a lot of time later on, saves you a lot of manual labor. You can use it for tacos. You can use it for, I don't know, whatever you use ground beef for. Everybody uses ground beef for various things. So anyway, so right now we got a burger in a bowl. No bun needed. And got an apple and my salad. And that's my lunch today. So let's take a bite. My coworker gave me 4 of these, so I'm gonna have one of these with my lunch. Got a cup of ice. We'll see what we're gonna do for supper. You never know. I never know. I open it up and see what does my heart tell me to do at that moment. Okay, bye. Hey, tonight we're gonna have something I haven't done in a while. We're gonna have some Indian inspired cuisine. This came from Marnie. She told me all the seasonings that she likes to use, and she's from over there. This is some ground ginger. And we have some garam masala. And we have some chili powder. We're going to use some ground cumin. Now, no, there's no salt in any of this, so I'm going to have to add some salt in the end. Just a side note. Some ground coriander. And if you all have favorite seasonings that you like that represent wherever you're from, please let me know. Because you know I'm all about learning about different seasonings and cultures and stuff. So, and don't be surprised when I go mixing things up, because that's what I do. I like to mix things up. And then turmeric. Oh, that was curry powder, and this is turmeric. Turmeric is at that nice orangey color. So what I'm going to do is, we're also going to add some of these roasted red bell peppers. Okay. Put a little of that on there. Oh, and I forgot my salt. I told y'all I was going to add some salt. So some salt. Oh, that was ground beef. And at the very bottom there's some ground beef, just so you know. And then I'm going to put in some of these pickled red onions. Don't buy these if you don't tolerate sugar. Sugar is an ingredient. But, I bought them, so I'm going to use them. I think this might be the last one. I'm not sure. Now I'm going to microwave for this for 2 minutes. I'll be right back. While that's in the microwave, here you go. Tommy used to work on the docks. Union's been on strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough. Oh, so tough. Gina works a diner all day. She cries in the night. Tommy whispers, baby, it's okay. Someday we gotta hold on to what we got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, sorry, I got a high voice. Living on a prayer. Take my hand. We'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. Oh. And then the next verse. So now that's in my head. Now it's in your head. Living on a Prayer by Bon Jovi. Thank you, 1980s is when the good music was. Woohoo! Supper tonight. We have us. You saw me make it up. It's this Indian cuisine. I like the flavors. They're really good. It's very earthy. So think chili, stuff like that. But anyway, so it's good. And then I just wrote on this container Vega and onions. I don't see one onion in here, but I guess it's maybe I cooked it with some onions. I have no idea. I just have to trust Terri of the past and eat what she made and just know that it's rutabaga. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be good. Yeah. Rice pepper. And some and some fruit. So, okay. Have a good evening. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand. We'll make it, I swear. Oh, John Bon Jovi. Woo, be still my 1980s-year-old heart. That man was fine as a frog hair. And you don't know. You know. It don't get much more fine than a frog hair. Ooh, Nelly. Okay, bye.